In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can design your web pages and funnels specifically for mobile. So what you'll find is usually straight out of the box, as it were, you will find that the funnels look really good on mobile, but you may want to make little changes here and there. So let's just take a little look at one of these, and I'll just select this particular funnel right here. Let's just call it test and get him launched up, and then we can see what it looks like as it is in mobile. And the way that we can do that, we can see it in the builder, or if we want to, we can just click preview. There it is, looking great for desktop. That's how it looks on a tablet, again, really good. And then finally on mobile, just there. And this one looks great straight away on mobile. But we can make changes if we want to. And there's a way that we do that. First of all, in the builder, go through to where it says phone view. And that's going to show you what it looks like. We stretch the content down usually for mobile view. If we just click on here, and then you can untick that if you want to, and you can see what it looks like. See, it looks pretty terrible when everything's squashed. So we just make it go down in a nice, neat, orderly line there, and it looks really good. But also you can reverse the column order. So if something by the time that it's been used for mobile here is in the wrong order, you can tick this little box here that then makes things go in the other order. So like maybe you wanted the image above the headline there. So you play around with this and just get the mobile version of your web page looking the way that you want. And there's also something else you can do. You can create specific blocks for mobile only. So you'll see that this particular block here, is visible on everything. So you can see, and we just get it over there. There we go. Let me go down to this one. This one says show and hide this container on phones and show and hide this container on tablets because it's on the desktop. So we get to choose, do we want it to appear on mobile as well? And at the moment, of course, it is. But the other thing that we can do is to just go and create a brand new block just for mobile, because then we can have real control over how everything looks. So if we go to block, we can click copy and then go over to here where we use our copy and paste, and now drag over that new one, which is a complete clone now of the one beneath us. And then we can select to show this one on mobile only, but not on desktop. And that's how we can do it. And then on this one, we can just unselect to show on phone and tablet. So now we've got ourselves a mobile version only that doesn't show on desktop. And then you can make your changes here according to how you want things to be on the phone. I'm just going to drag in a slightly different thing here. But really it's about reformatting the content that you have. So maybe you want that button to appear in the middle on the phone, and it wasn't because of the way that it was formatted. And you can see I've just managed to do that really, really quickly there. So if we do this now, I'm going to just type in here mobile version, and then save it. And then I'm going to go over to preview here. And this is how it looks on the desktop. And now that we've copied the block and made it only visible on the phone, there it is. There's the block that we made, and we've added the words in mobile version, but you can see that is not there for the desktop version. So you're able to create this absolutely perfect version. Now bear in mind that if you do go to those lengths, then you are going to have to make changes to both of them anytime you update your site. So anytime you update some content for the desktop version, you'll have to go over to the phone view and do the same thing. If you're using the same blocks, so if I was to delete this and then let's just make these be revealed again now, any changes that I make over on the desktop version, such as this, let's just put a couple of ones in there or exclamation marks, that will now take effect automatically on the mobile version. So you have to kind of bear that in mind. There's two ways of doing it: creating a beautiful custom block specifically for the phone, or just going with the desktop version and just making the changes as best you can so that it looks good. You've also, remember, got your custom styling here just for phones. So you can change the font size just for phones if you wanted to. So we're using this Open Sans and font 48. If it doesn't look great on the phone, you can make a lot of sort of real good improvements just by using these custom or these global settings for the phone there. And there you are. And we can change the text as well if we wanted to and just go for something else. Very simple to do. And again, what you've done there by using the styling, that is just for the phone. So if we go to desktop, you won't see it's that color there as well, because we've got our own styling just here for desktop. So I hope that's clear, and I hope that's going to help you to make really, really good high converting designs for mobile phones with fast funnels. And any questions, just get in touch with our support.